Welcome back to WSAV News 3 today at 11. Expanding access to health services is an important step toward reducing health disparities. Next Tuesday, a new Curtis V. Cooper primary health care center will open inside the Economic Opportunity Authority for Savannah-Chatham County. EOA Executive Director Dr. Bernadette Ball Oliver and Curtis V. Cooper CEO Albert Grandy Jr. join us now with more. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.
Okay. Good morning. We're going to start by going way back with the history of Curtis V. Cooper and the EOA, because it started back in 1971 with a feasibility study done through the EOA because there weren't enough healthcare centers to provide for people on the west side of town.
Yeah, that's correct. So it's been since 1974, the genesis started with Dr. Cooper that came out, EOA. So currently now we have over 30,000 patients. This be our 15th site. We have over 300 employees, and we're going to have over 100,000 visits.
Wow.
In medical, dental, behavior health, and dental as well.
Now, Dr. Ball Oliver, tell us about this partnership, because this has been in the making for quite a while now.
So I think what happened is, knowing the history and that kind of Curtis V. Cooper was birthed through EOA, I went to Mr. Grandy, have had the pleasure of working with Curtis Cooper before in my previous career in life, and he made me beg for 2 or 3 minutes, and then he quickly said yes, and so we actually really hit the ground running in July, making this happen, and so December we'll see our grand opening.
So EOA, tell us about the services that you provide to people, because this kind of meshes together the two agencies, the partnership that you have.
So yes, it allows us to actually provide more wraparound services for our clients. We right now, of course, as you know, have Early Head Start and Head Start, and we serve about 287 children through those 2 programs, as well as we have about 120 staff members in our organization. But we also have a community service block grant where we do the low income energy and heating assistance program. We also operate a foster grandparents and a retired senior volunteer program as well. So all of those persons will be eligible, of course, to receive services through Curtis Cooper, as well as we sit in the heart of the west side of Savannah. And so our entire community, the doors will be open every Tuesday and Thursday for the entire community to receive services.
Now, Mr. Grandy, we all know that access ensures that people can get preventative care, and it's kind of like a snowball effect, because it helps manage chronic conditions and avoid medical debt, avoid those emergency room visits as well.
Yes, in terms of trying to avoid unnecessary ER visits, we can go where people are, meet with people are, especially the elderly population, and working with other organizations like Parent University will be integrated at some point with this program, and just have more access to care. So individuals can see they can get care, get primary care, and get access to care.
So when we talk about primary care, what services are we talking about?
We talk about medical, dental, behavior health. We do HIV, HCV. We have other services. We have pharmacy. We do X-ray. We do lab. So any service that you would get other than inpatient.
Now, once this is off the ground, do you plan on expanding services?
So that's our hope.
Okay.
Of course, that's dependent upon our stakeholders in the community, but we definitely see them taking advantage of this, because for our parents, this is a real bonus. When you go to register your child, you have to go get shots in one location, dental services in another, vision in another. Now, with Curtis V. Cooper at EOA, all those services are in one location. 2nd floor registration, 1st floor healthcare.
One-stop shop. All right, here's the information on your screen. The new Curtis V. Cooper Primary Healthcare Center at EOA. The grand opening is next Tuesday, December 2nd at 10 a.m. That's at 618 West Anderson Street. Office hours will be Tuesdays and Thursdays beginning at 8:30 a.m.?
8 a.m.
8 a.m. until 5 p.m. You can find more information and see this interview again anytime on our website at wsav.com/community corner. Thank you so much for being here today. I know you have a busy holiday week.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.